Greetings, traders, and welcome to the weekend edition. My name's Dez, senior analyst and potentially your future mentor here at Grok Trade, and this video is good through Sunday, October 16, 2011. First thing I want to start off with here is finviz.com. And for the 1 week, huge rally in basic materials, up 8.2%. Financials were up 6.2%. Very good. You have healthcare and utilities near the bottom. So it looks to me, far as recessionary cycles are concerned, this week was a strike for, was one in the corner of the bulls. If you look down here for the 1 month, actually look at the 3 months, because this represents what we've been seeing here recently. You have financials at the bottom, you have basic materials at the bottom. This is bad news. So a lot of problems out there in the markets when you have financials, basic materials down in the dumps. For the 1 month, we were seeing this big time. However, basic materials starting to pull itself out of the slums. Financials doing even better, not too shabby, because it was blood bright red, just last week. But this week, wow, what big change of events here. So as far as recessionary cycles are concerned, again, very strong for the bulls. And let's go to the, you know what, I'll show you a couple things while I'm here. Before we get into technical analysis, on my Stock Picks V newsletter, here are a couple of the picks that we had for this week. And this one, BIBB, we got in 101, and it's at 103, so there's 2 points there. BSFT, this one we triggered at 34, and we're at 39. Nice, 5 points there. CBI was another one. Man, we had a bunch of them. We're at 31. This one's at 33, so 32 there. CHKP. This one triggered at 57. We're at almost 59, almost 2 points here. And CPO 42, and we're at 44, a couple points there. DG, this one's choppy, 38.50 to 39, almost 50, almost a point. And do we have any others? Oh my, do we ever? We have GGG 37, we're at 38, so a point or so. HS 38, we're at 40.50, so over 2 points. HXL 2306, a pop. And you can see all the triangles that we're playing here. We had a lot of triangles. They can make all sorts of money. OIS, falling wedge, triggered at 56.72. We're at 64. Wow. A lot of money on this one. PLCM, another falling wedge. This one's just now moving after a high base formation, finding resistance 50-day, but we busted that on Friday. 22, we're only at 22.63 right now. I'd like to see more volume flow into that. SHS and 32.70, we're at 35. Wow, another 2+ points here. And yeah, last but not least, XOM was another trigger, and 75, we're at 78, another 3 points there. These are not buys right now, by the way, gang. The only reason I'm sharing these with the masses is because these trades are already done. They already had their runs. Be looking for us to be taking profits on these now. So, but I saw my alerts thing pop up here, so I wanted to, ADD kicks in. I wanted to show that to you. But let's get here to the S&P take a look at this. And what I was showing you were trades that I share with our premium subscribers, and those come out each weekend. Like all my premium subscribers, before midnight tomorrow night, will get an email, I call them VMails, video email, straight to their email box with the video of the picks for this coming up week. And I do my might as well plug it if I'm going to plug it, huh? We fundamentally screen our companies, bull list, and then fundamentally screen our bear list. And then we take our bull list and we technically analyze it for our trade. So we fundamentally pick our companies, both bullish and bearish, and we technically trade them bullish and bearish. And so it's the best of both worlds. We like to be balanced here. We're not biased one direction or the other. And we believe that you need to be bullish and bearish, and we think that you need to incorporate fundamental analysis with technical analysis to increase your probabilities as a trader. All right, the S&P. We had this big, nasty, look at the red lines coming across. I know there's a lot of lines here, gang. Red line coming across, and here we had descending triangle. Descending triangle started breaking down. However, we didn't stay down. We rallied higher. When we rallied here, we drew another blue line. So you see these two big, huge blue lines. Now we have what's called a falling wedge. Falling wedges are bullish, and sure enough, we come up here, we hit our head, and we bust through. We hit resistance here. End of the day on Friday, we bust through again, closing right at or near the day's or session's high. Very strong close with some volume. Anyway, the S&P weekly chart, check this out. You drop, support, you pop up, hit resistance, drop down, support. But you look at this, your bodies never did get to that support level again. Shows relative strength. We get a hammer, we pop here. Higher high, higher low, really strong into the week. But check this out, we're still caught within the moving averages. Mainly the purple line. Let me show you something on the purple line. Let's just go back in time and just to build a case here. Purple line is my 67 simple moving average. You won't find that anywhere else. You're going to get that from me. I've been trading 13 years. I trade in the live markets, and I trade for an institution. We have support here on this line. Another support here at this line. We come over support here. When that support gets broken, it drops. Comes up here, resistance. Low base formation, we drop. Low base, we drop. Base, we drop. We bounce. We come up, hang up with the doji, pop through, chop. Purple line, we dip below it just for a second, come right back up. Purple line, support. Purple line gets pierced right there. Purple line acts as resistance right here. Purple line acts as resistance right here. And that's where we're at. So we're at a major resistance point with our 67 simple moving average here on the weekly chart. But we have made a higher high, higher low. We almost got a double bottom. You can see this. Double bottom. This thing could get bullish. There's a lot of upside potential if it does start to go bullish. On the monthly chart, if we look here on the monthly, we have a bullish engulfing pattern, but we still have a lower high, lower low. So technically speaking, it's still part of the down leg. So I'm not too excited yet because the month is only half over. When the month ends, it'd be really interesting to see where we're at. All right. So let's go here, take a look at NASDAQ. The NASDAQ could act as leading indicator. On the daily chart here, we had this big descending triangle wedge thingy. But look at this, resistance, and resistance. All oscillators are saying we are extremely overbought right now. So know that we're hitting our head at some resistance points, especially on the NASDAQ. And that oscillators are saying that we're overbought. So be looking for some sort of correction to start to take place. We've had quite a run here on the weekly chart. Almost got this double bottom with a confirmation piercing the midpoint here. Looking pretty bullish, really. Come up, smack its head, and I expect a rollover here if we do get there. And on the monthly chart, big, nice, beautiful, bullish engulfing pattern that's not confirmed yet. Why? Because the month hasn't ended. However, we're coming up to a major resistance line. You can see that resistance line here. Support, resistance. That's where we're at. And for all you gold traders, let's go over here to the daily chart. We have this big M for murder. We drop. And once we drop, we go into a bear flag. Bear flags are gnarly, bad, bloody, and we crash and burn right here. So whatever leg the flag develops on, be expecting the same leg to develop here. So I could see us hitting about 150 on GLD. If the technicals hold up, if you look at the weekly chart, you have a little bear pullback. Drop, 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 drop. Little itsy bitsy pullback. So this is looking like another red candle is about ready to develop, but we have a lot of support here. And that support is going to come around 152.61, but I definitely see us getting down to that area, 150, 152 area for sure. And let's go to the banks, financials. Market's only strongest financials. We got a nice run. We're above the 20 and 50-day moving average. However, we're still below the 100 and 200. If I go over here to the banks, on the weekly chart, we're dropping, starting to curl higher, but we did break above 1504, which was a resistance point. We actually closed at 1512. On the monthly chart on the financials, you had this big drop. You go into a bull pennant, or a bear pennant, I'm sorry, because it developed at the bottom of the leg. It does break down here, or it did break down. And now the month isn't over, but you have an unconfirmed piercing pattern reversal right here for a candlestick reversal pattern, and I could see us getting to 1600 pretty fast on the financials and higher, and so that's where we're at. Anyway, I did a shameless plug not too long ago on my Stock Picks V newsletter, and if you want to take advantage of that, it'd be the best decision you made all week. and it will be the best $30. I can't believe I'm still only charging $30 for that. Matter of fact, for a year, it only cost you, what is it? It's right at $300 for the entire year, and you get a video each week. And if you buy it for a year, you actually get 2 months free, but I give you a video each weekend. And so whoever signed up for the V newsletter, my premium subscribers, will get an email before Saturday night, and they will get an email that has all my bull and bear picks. We have a whole team that helps me put this together, but it's my metrics and it's my 13 years of trading experience. And if you want to partake of that, you're welcome to do so. Do me a favor, click on the like button down there below, and you're part of trading chat rooms and trading forums. Share what it is that I give out freely. Share that with your trading colleagues. Those traders will thank you. We have over 150 countries coming into the website, and we thank you for being a part. We have thousands of people each day, traders, unique traders around the world, coming in and watching the videos. And we have actually some premium chat rooms we're getting ready to unveil coming up in November, and for you day traders, premium stuff. And then we have a currency live chat room that's coming out too. So some great things. Take care and very safe trading to each and every one of you this week.